Ladies and gentlemen, dame i gospodo, veliko mi je zadovoljstvo da sam danas ovdje u prilici da vam se kratko obratim. Now, I need hardly say that it is a great delight to be back in this region and back in Belgrade. During the past 4 days in Croatia and Serbia, I have been struck time and again by how closely our histories are tied together. And I know that it is the same in Montenegro and Kosovo. This history has often been played out by ordinary men and women. Names like Flora Sands, who fought with the Serbian army in the First World War, and Fitzroy MacLean, who fought with such distinction with the Yugoslav partisans during the Second World War, and who came with me to Belgrade 38 years ago. These people are well known here. And in this room, for example, there are the pictures of members of the British medical mission that came to Serbia during the First World War, many of whom died during the typhoid epidemic that raged in 1916 because they refused to abandon their patients. 1916 is also the centenary of St. Nikolai Velimirovich's visit to England, where he became the first Orthodox Christian to preach at St. Paul's Cathedral and was given a doctorate by Cambridge University. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, the exchange is not just one way. Today, people from the Balkans are well known in Britain in so many fields. In contemporary music, Rita Ora, whom I had the great pleasure to hear sing for the first time in London last week. Then there is the classical guitarist Milos Karadzic, and the violinist at the London Symphony Orchestra, Roman Simovic. There is also, of course, a certain tennis player who stubbornly refuses to yield the Wimbledon championship. Novak Djokovic's virtuosity on the court and his humanity off it are an inspiration to young people the world over.